State!
Year after year, Group Health has come out in droves to support the mission of Big Brothers Big Sisters, because that's what Bold for Kids' Sake does. It raises critical funds to make sure that children throughout Northwestern Wisconsin can have access to youth mentoring. So for them to come back out, again, it's a blessing and it's a blast.
I do this because it's helping out the kids, and at one time in my life when I was younger, I was a small for a little, and I was also a big at one time in my life. So I think this is a great opportunity to give back to kids that need another person maybe in their life for a little bit extra attention and help.
It's so great because our team gets together and we do some team building, and it's all to support the kids, and it's a really fun night of bowling and seeing how bad I am at bowling. And that's even more fun, is that we are bad at it, but we're doing it for the kids, and it's a really good night.
I participate in Bowl for Kids' Sake for the kids, to be able to provide them the opportunity to do things that all of us want to do. And it's also a great way to enjoy time with your coworkers, to get outside the office and be able to do something fun and not be talking work and just enjoy each other's company.
It's an amazing cause. So much of what the Big Brothers and Big Sisters is able to do, they do because of this event.
It's a great opportunity to help the kids out and raise a little bit of money and have a little bit of fun with some coworkers. So that's why I like to bowl.
That Group Health team, they know how to do healthcare well, but they also know how to have a good time.